Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by deciding exactly what you mean by get Darth Vader: a wearable helmet, a collector prop, or a game unlock. Once chosen, set a firm budget and list must-have items so you don't overspend. Make sure to check multiple sources: retail, auction, second-hand markets, and online game stores, because price and authenticity vary. Begin securing the most scarce component first, whether that's an original helmet, a licensed mask, or an in-game token, to anchor the rest of your plan. Once you have parts, start assembly with the structural pieces: helmet, chest, and cape. You should fit and trim padding so the helmet sits comfortably. Small adjustments make a big difference. Next, install electronics like voice modulators and breath effects, solder connections cleanly, and secure batteries in concealed compartments. Make sure to prep surfaces before painting. Prime, spray matte black, then clear coat for protection. After assembly, test movement and sound together to ensure the costume both looks and operates correctly. To finish, rehearse wearing the full setup while speaking lines and practicing gestures. You need to confirm visibility, ventilation, and range of motion. If electronics fail, make sure connectors are seated, batteries charged, and solder joints reflowed. Replace faulty components as needed. For comfort and safety, add quick-release straps and a discreet hydration plan, and ensure ventilation ducts aren't blocked. Once done, photograph your costume for reference and make minor adjustments based on performance notes to keep it reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.